Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how you can give a nickname to your friends in Facebook Messenger chat. So you can give any friend a nickname while chatting with him on your Facebook Messenger. So for that what you will do, just open your Messenger and open any chat that you want. Once you open chat, at the top right side you can see the I option. Just click on this and then you can see the option called nicknames. Just click on this nicknames. Now there are two options. You can give your nickname to your own, or you can give a nickname to the friends whom you are talking. So just click on that nickname and just give it a nickname what you want. That's why I gave it a name. So this is the way you can just click on set, and now you can see that you have given a nickname to your friend. Now this nickname will be visible only to you. Other friends or other cannot see this nickname. So this is the way you can give a nickname to your own or your friends in your Facebook Messenger.